Well, hey everybody. Thanks for tuning in to watch me fix this Kenmore Elite dryer. I have no idea what's wrong with it, but you do because of the thumbnail, and because you're watching this, it means that I fixed it, which I'm very happy about. Future me will let you know that I am going to fix the belt switch pulley. And the symptoms are, you turn it on, press start, nothing. Before. It did have a very squeaky bearing sound. I'm assuming it has something to do with it. So let's get into it. I really don't know what I'm looking for here, so I'm going to start with just taking this panel off the bottom. Yes, it just comes right off. Beautiful. Don't know what I'm looking for. I don't know if you can see up in there, but it looks like the belt, for starters, isn't on. Doesn't explain why I don't hear the motor going. We'll see what we can do about figuring that out. Also, I'm gonna dust this thing out, see if I can get into there. I'm gonna open up the front here and see if I can get to the inside, clean out the dust. I've never cleaned it. Terrible. Parts money. I kind of feel like I gotta take the whole machine apart to get up in there. Ooh, look, cartoons. Well, according to the cartoons on page 5 or 6, I'm gonna need to check the belt switch and drive motor, which makes sense because this belt is clearly off. Question is, why did it come off? All right, this is going in from the front. See that? That right there. It's supposed to have a pulley on it. There we go. Now there's your problem. Now, how the heck do I get in there to fix that? Somebody probably has a great video on YouTube how to do what I'm about to do, but sometimes it's fun figuring that out yourself. bring you in for a closer look. We'll clean that out of there. But this, that's what failed. Used to be on there. Worked its way off. Oh my gosh, look at this. I mean, it was grinding, but I didn't realize. All right. Well, let's pick up the pieces. It's a decent view from around back. That. New ones don't fit, FYI. Oh, what a terrible sound. You can watch me wrestle this belt in place now. Now this front panel, this piece of sharp metal, watch your fingers on it, but slides down on these 3 clips. First you have to align this top in there, swing the bottom in, and then down on those 3 clips. have thought that that would have been so much work? I kind of knew this was going to happen. This was grinding for about a month. I procrastinated long enough and it finally failed. It's an interesting mechanism, that arm that this pulley is on, that turns that little switch on and off. So it shuts the whole dryer down in case the belt breaks. Or in this case, if you neglect your dryer for long enough and the wheel falls off. Who would have thought that this wheel wasn't going to fit? I'm just glad that it finally works. I'm surprised you guys have stuck around this long. But I can press start and it runs, which is wonderful. We can do our laundry again, or at least we can dry our laundry. The belt switch pulley is what I ordered. The new one came with the entire arm assembly. That was convenient. Also came with this replacement wheel and the belt. I know there's probably an easier way to do this, like go through the back of the machine, but pulling this machine out of this location is very difficult. Pulling it out's not difficult. Pushing it back in and getting the exhaust hooked up is the difficult part. But going through the front of it, definitely an adventure. Anyway, thanks for sticking around and watching. I'll see you on the next video.